everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with another reading which is going to be a pick a card read. The topic of the reading is going to be, will he or she reach out to you? If you are in no communication with a specific someone, it doesn't matter whether you're talking to each other for you're not talking to each other for some time, or it has been months, weeks time since you guys stopped talking to each other. This reading is something that is going to help you to know the answer. Will he or she reach out to you now or not? We will also tap into the when part of it. If they do, when will they reach out? So yeah, I have two piles here, beer pile and the rabbit pile. Pick whichever pile you want to go for to find the answer to that question. Will he or she reach out to you? Before I dive into the read, let me remind you, it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I do upload daily readings. I'm going to start the read with the beer pile, so I'm going to push this pile a little up so we can spread the cards here. So let's find out, will he or she reach out to you, yes or no? And if they do, then when can you expect the communication coming in? Let's find out, will he or she reach out, yes or no? Knight of Pentacles, the Star, and the Queen of Cups. Yes, you guys are destined to talk again. There's a lot of emotional attachment in this connection. I feel like the connection could have gone through the rough patch because of the lack of stability in the connection. Maybe you pulled away, they pulled away, but there was lack of stability for sure in this connection. But it was it was divinely timed, basically, and it was divinely planned to happen this way. Why? Because otherwise the connection wouldn't have gotten stable, in terms of, like, maybe your person was not willing to commit to you. Maybe they were not willing to take this connection to the next level, so you pulled away. Maybe it was exactly the opposite, but this was destined to happen this way. The universe is playing a big whole part in this particular situation. They will definitely reach out to you. You are going to come back together, because that's how you both are destined to be. I feel like for majority of you could be manifesting this reconciliation or communication again with your specific someone. Now let's find out, when can you expect the communication? When can you expect the communication? When can you expect it? Because I do see it coming through. Let's see, when can you expect it? When can you expect it? The moment you decide that you are up to talk to this person and you don't sway away from that, for majority of you, you are delaying the communication coming in, because you somehow maybe is you somehow is kind of at times, like, since the communication is going to take its due time to come through, you will be kind of confusing yourself with moving on or staying and waiting on for this person. You would feel at times that this person might not show up, so that's going to confuse you. That's going to confuse your vibe that you're sending out to the nature. So I feel like the only delay is you sometimes feeling like maybe it's never going to happen, maybe they will never come back, maybe they the connection that we had is over. It's not over, to be very honest. It's not. You guys are going to come back together, but it's going to happen when you are so 100% sure that yes, you guys are destined to be together. Especially if you are manifesting the reconciliation, or them reaching out to you. They will do so, but you have to be 100% sure that, okay, fine, I will not reach out to this person, they will reach out to me. You have to be sure in one way or the other. For some of you, you might be confused that shall I reach out to them or shall I not. In that situation too, you have to decide, yes, they have to be the one reaching out to me. They will, because with this energy here, it is divinely timed. It will happen for sure. Now you have to decide, do you still feel the need to reach out to this person, or do you choose to wait? Because I feel like if you choose to wait, the communication might take longer to come, but yes, once you decide, it will come quick. Right now, at times you do get confused. You feel like reaching out to this person. Make up your mind, you want to reach out, or do you do you don't want to reach out. Whatever it is, once made up your decision, you will see the communication coming in fast. For some of you, maybe you at times, because the delays are happening in this connection, so you at times feel like moving on as well. Now if you are on the verge of deciding between the two things, moving on or staying here, choose, decide for yourself first, then only the communication will come in. Even if you choose to move on, I do see the communication will still come in. The communication might be slow coming, but it will definitely come. It will be your choice whether you want to take this communication serious then or not. But I feel like the communication will definitely come in. Now I do see you will have to the only time frame that is required is you making your mind up, be that in terms of you deciding that yes, this person, he or she will have to reach out to me. I'm never going to reach out to this person ever again. Make that choice, make that final decision for yourself, because I feel like you have so much love to give to this person. Sometimes you feel like, okay, fine, I will never reach out to this person, and then you give in to the connection again, you again reach out to this person, and then you get nothing out of it. So make a choice. You want to reach out, you don't want to reach out, and then let this happen. Second, like I said earlier, decide, do you want to move on or do you want to wait on for this person? Decide and let that come through. Eventually this communication, the person is going to reach out to you for sure. The answer is a big yes for that. But yes, how long will it take, when will that happen? It depends on everybody's individual decision power, mind power, how you take this communication coming in towards you. Do you think that it is possible? Do you think like you have mental blocks around it? It will delay or it will attract the communication quick. So it's going to be different for different people. Let's see the oracle cards now. Let's see what they have to say. Believe in the impossible, and that's exactly, for some of you, maybe you feel like it can never happen. Like I said earlier, maybe at times you feel like maybe you need to move on because it can never happen. Again, believe in the impossible. Still, there are chances that it can work out between you and your specific someone. Last card, let's see. Gentle, sensitive, kind, and inexperienced. It can be your energy, it can be the energy of the person that you are dealing with. I feel like you would be getting a lot of invitations to new offers. Like maybe people would be trying to reach out to you. People would be interested in you. But do you want that? Like for some reasons, I feel like I feel like you might be open to make new friends during this time as well. Or maybe you already have a lot of people interested in you and you know that. So sometimes you feel like moving on. Sometimes you feel like maybe I need to wait on for this person a little longer. For some reasons, maybe you don't want to go through the same shit again. You don't want to deal with the beginning of any situation, any relationship. You don't want to get to know a person, a new person. You don't want to do those things again. So maybe you don't want to get into a new relationship, but then you at times wonder, like, what if I move on? Because there is this energy that you sometimes feel the need to move on, and then you hold yourself back thinking, no, I want this person from the past. So I feel like you will definitely have other opportunities coming your way in this week, in this time whenever you're checking this reading. But yes, I feel like whatever. Let me see. When can you expect, as in terms of weeks? Will the communication come in if you decide, when you decide to commit from the person? Will it come in maximum 2 weeks time from the time you're checking the read? Big yes. It will be coming within 2 weeks time if you choose, if you decide for yourself. So you can expect the communication coming in within 2 weeks time. But yes, for that you have to make up your mind first. If you are not doing that, then maybe it will take longer than that. But yes, for 2 weeks time is gonna be, for those of you who are gonna decide for themselves, then yes, 2 weeks time would be the time where you will be receiving some sort of communication coming in from your person. Let's move on to the second pile, which is the rabbit pile. Let's see. Will will he or she reach out to you? Yes or no? Let's take the tarot first, and then we'll include the oracle cards. Let's see. Will he or she reach out to you? Yes or no? Strength, the High Priest, Three of Pentacles. Wow, this person is feeling the strong pull to reach out to you, but somehow they are trying to stay strong, not to reach out, not to think that way, that where they have to make a decision, or they have to make a move towards you, or they have to initiate the communication. Somehow this person has been guided by the heavens towards you to communicate to you, but somehow they are trying to keep themselves busy with the work scenarios and everything, so they don't have to, think about you or think about the connection that they have with you. For some of you, maybe this person, whoever it is that you're dealing with, whoever it is that you're checking this read for, this person could be a workaholic, so they keep themselves busy with work most of the time, but somehow the universe has been aligning things for them where they think of you all the time, and then they try to keep themselves, stuck in the work scenarios, so they don't get enough time to think about you. But if and when they have enough time, like the weekends, like the holidays, they will be thinking about you and only you. Why? Because that's the only time when they have free time and they cannot do work stuff then. So I feel like, this person is, getting messages, signs from the universe through dreams, through signs, like maybe they are hearing your name again and again. Maybe they are like, randomly, like, getting to see your pictures on social media and stuff like that. So this person is trying to basically suppress or control their emotions for you right now. But yes, I feel like, this person will this person is heavily thinking about you, but maybe they will not take action. For some of you, maybe they will. Let's see if they will. How long will they take? Well, let's reconfirm first. Will this person reach out to you? Because I feel like, this person is somebody who's ignoring the signs, messages coming from the divine around this connection. They feel the urge to talk to you, but then they try to keep themselves strong around it. They don't feel like, they should just settle in for that, or they should just give into this connection and, reach out to you or something to do with that. Will this person reach out to you? Let me see. One more card, please. Three of Swords. No, I don't think that this person is going to reach out to you. They do think about you, they do miss you, but they have strong ego issues as well. This person tries to, maybe they are angry, mad at you for some reasons, but yes, I feel like, this person is strong-headed. They keep themselves busy. That's the best thing that they can do right now to stay away from you. Keep themselves busy, keep ignoring this, whole thing up, whole relationship situation. And I don't think that this person is going to be reaching out to you. Now, how long will it take for them to change this vibe and to be more willing to accept what they feel for you from deep within? Let's see, is there any chance or any possibility of them changing their their attitude towards you, towards like how they feel towards you, or not? Will they accept the feelings that they have, or will they keep running away? Let's see, will they accept their true feelings for you anytime soon? Yes or no? They have their guards up. They are trying to stay away from this connection as much as possible. It's it will take them time. I don't think that they will be reaching out to you anytime soon. I don't see them reaching out to you at all. Maybe you are going to be the one reaching out to this person. But yes, I do see that, if you reach out to this person after at least 2 weeks time from the last time you talked to this person, maybe things will be different. Things will be maybe they will be more receptive to the idea of talking to you and getting to fix things up with you. If you reach out to this person soon after your breakup, this person is not even going to respond to you well. It's very important for you to stay away, manifest the change that you want to see in this person, even though I don't see the change coming in strongly here. But yes, I feel like since this person does miss you, think of you, there is a strong chance, strong possibility, if you give this person some time to think and some time to miss you, it will be benefiting you. Now it is very important, if and when you reach out to this person is going to be very happy deep down. Yes, they will be, but they might not show it to you, so just be mindful of that. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the read. Take time to breathe out. It's very important for you to just relax around it. Let this person have the time that they need right now. I don't see them reaching out to you anytime soon, so maybe you just need to relax. Just believe, if you really want a communication or reconciliation with this person, just relax right now. That's all you need to do. Don't try to chase this person. Don't try to think heavily around this person. And whenever you think of this person, make sure you think positive thoughts, happy thoughts, as if you guys were, think of the good times that you spent together. Think that this person, just know one thing, this person does miss you, but yes, their ego is stopping them right now, is what I'm picking up very strongly. So let this person have the time and the space. Let them have a few weekends when they get enough time to think about you, and then only reach out to this person if you want to, because I don't think that this person is going to reach out to you anytime soon. But I do see maybe you reaching out to them after 2 weeks time from the time when you are watching this video will help you a lot. Let's see the last card. Romantic, captivating, dramatic, flirtatious. Try to be more flirtatious to this person than bringing up the serious conversation in the communication that you have with this person. You know, the more you're gonna keep it playful, non-serious, the more your person is going to be getting serious around you. Romantic, flirtatious energies should be the key for this connection to get what you want. If you get serious, if you talk about the commitment stuff and all those things, this connection is gonna not gonna go anywhere. You have to add some fun times into this connection. The more you show your not your uninterested side to this person, to this connection, the more they will be going crazy for you. So just know that there is something wrong with your person for sure, because they are somebody who's who would run away from you if you chase them, and when you stop chasing them, they will chase you back. So that's how they are. So you have to try and understand their psyche there and do what needs to be done to get the results that you want. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonates with you, to like, subscribe and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care, bye.